Hey guys, welcome to my channel GD Mentor. I am your teacher Muhammad Fatin Afzal, and today I am going to show you how you can whiten your teeth in Photoshop. Before getting started, if you want to follow along, click the link in the description to download this image. Before I will show you how to whiten your teeth, I will like to give you a few tips and tricks which I will be using throughout the video. If your foreground color is anything except white or black, like in this case I will select red. If your color is anything except white or black, press the button D to set it to default, and if your foreground color is black, press X to toggle between foreground and background color. Now let's get started. Before showing you the right method, I would like to point out a few mistakes which beginners make while whitening their teeth. They go to adjustment layers, brightness and contrast, increase the brightness all the way, and then invert the mask by using Control or Command I. How will you know that the mask has been inverted? The preview of the mask will change its color to black. Now the mask is not inverted right now. If I press Control or Command I, the preview color changes to black. To take a soft round brush, I will increase the size and start painting with white color. Here you can see that still this yellowish tint is present in the image. This is because when you increase the brightness using brightness and contrast, the overall brightness of the image increases. That means the brightness of white increases as well as the brightness of yellow also increases. That is why this yellowish tint is present in your image. Now I'll show you the right method for doing it. Go to adjustment layers, instead of brightness and contrast, click vibrance, invert the mask by using Control or Command I, set the value of vibrance to -100, saturation to about -50. The value of vibrance and saturation might vary from picture to picture. Take the foreground color white, pick the brush tool and start painting very carefully in the teeth. Now you can see that yellowish tint which was present while we were brightening the teeth using brightness and contrast is right now not present. If you have painted in some extra areas, press X to switch to black and remove the extra areas. Now you can see I have painted some extra areas, so I will make my brush smaller, switch my color to black and start removing those extra areas. It is very handy to use shortcuts. It speeds up your process. Here I am doing it very roughly. If you take your time and do it, it might about take you 5 to 10 minutes to do each image. If you have more than one image, then if you have only one image, it would only take you 5 to 10 minutes. Now here you can see this effect is too much, so I will decrease the opacity to about 96 is fine. So I will go with 96. You can see the teeth have changed its color. Now before ending this video, I would like to say you that don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video, and also hit the bell icon so that each time I upload a new video you get notified. Till next time, take care.